Hi, good morning guys. What's going on? My name is Romel Carter. I want to thank you for watching my video. And in this video, I'm making a video about this online business that I am actually a part of. I'm actually an affiliate of this online business named the Successful Solution Method. And right now, I am here on Facebook. So Successful Solution Method. This was created by this lady right here. Her name is Amanda Wray. Amanda Wray, she has been in the online marketing industry for like over 4 years now, and she learned a lot, and she teaches people like how to make money and stuff online. So she created this system here now for people that have been like struggling for years now, whether they've been in the game for like 4 or 5 years, or it doesn't matter how long you have been in the online marketing space. So you could actually come in as a newbie and become successful with this online successful solution method. So basically, you basically get paid for the doing tasks, right? Income producing tasks, where they have like I think about 6 different packages that you could come in on. They have the start at $125 level, which you can start for $100, you pay $100, and the $25 goes to the admin fee, go to the admin, and then you can actually become a part of this successful solution method, where you get paid to do simple tasks. They have training. They're going to tell you what you need to do to get paid. It's simple and easy. If you could just follow simple steps, you can make money with this program. So they have the $125 US to start, and they have I think that's the box, and they have the gold package, which is $320 something US to start. And then they have the gold package for $500, and then they have the other package there for $1,000, and the other next package is $2,000. So they have like 5 different packages to come on, and you basically get paid 50% commission. So you get the 50% commission, and then so what happens is you're gonna have like a success coach too as well when you join this opportunity. So you can have people that's going to train you and teach you everything that you need to know. So right now, let's see if anything else I'm missing out. I'm glad. So this system here has been actually created by this lady, as I said before, Amanda Wray, and she actually this year actually came out. Let's see, April of this year. April of this year. We created this system here for people that have been struggling, and for newbies, right? So you don't really need no experience. You could be new, and you could come and have success with this year too. So they have new people that have joined this business named the Successful Solution Method, and they have been having success too as well. So it don't matter if you're new or if you're the seasoned marketer. So you could become new band, and you could still make money with this here. So this is the Facebook group. The Facebook group here is called the Successful Solution Method. So you get, as I said, you get paid for doing simple tasks, and we have like over 11,000 members within this group here too as well. And as I said, you get training, you get paid, you're going to find out how to make money with this opportunity. You get paid to do simple tasks, income producing activities. Easy to do, easy to understand. So once you join, you can get started for a one-time payment of $125. You're gonna become successful. I'm gonna place a link in the description of this video down below, so you can click on your link and you can get started. So these are the members in this group. As I said before, we have, let me see, 11,000.1K members that's in this group. Successful Solution Method. This is a great opportunity. I'm thankful for Amanda Wray for creating this opportunity. Right now I'm just like an affiliate, but I am going to pay to join this opportunity. I'm going to be successful this year. I'm glad that this year have been created. So this year is from Bayan. He posted. So once you join, you're gonna get banners. You're gonna post your results. So this is the money that these people have been earning, and they post their results on Facebook in this group, and they get good engagement. They get engagement too. So this gentleman posted in this group, they have 217 comments. So people could respond. So people are making $100 plus a day with this opportunity, and you get paid weekly. But you have to have a PayPal account or Stripe. It don't matter. However you want to get paid, you could get paid with this opportunity. It don't matter. So this gentleman here, Bayan, I'm just going to show you the people results. This is the group that people are having successful and posting. People getting paid every single day with this opportunity. This is for people. This is the worldwide opportunity for anybody in the world that's interested in looking to make some extra money for themselves and for their family too as well. So the gentleman named let me see what he said. Really chilling, enjoying a cup of tea, then ping from Amanda. So Amanda does send you an email or send you a notification letting you know that you have been paid. So people just get paid every week. You get paid every week with this year. I think it's Friday or Monday that is going to get paid every week. So extraordinary real results. He just earned $50 growing my business online. So next, somebody saying congratulations. And this is from Julie Adam, and we are off again. Round 3. I feel I'm upgraded to silver coming this week too. Thank you, Amanda Wray. People are thanking the creator of this system for giving them success, and that people finally making money online. People have been struggling for a long time, and now they're achieving success. So these people from all over the world. This lady named Keenan Cohen never gets old. Don't sit and watch. There is plenty to go around. So she earned $50 growing my business online. So you're gonna get banners. Once you join, you're gonna actually be able to post like this here too as well. You're gonna get training on how to post your results and everything. How to become successful. You could connect with people in this group. You could talk to them, and in this group once you join and become a member of this system. Plus we have webinars too as well. We have webinars every Wednesday evening, and you can get invited to the webinar and watch the webinar, and you're going to listen to the creator of this system. Her name is Amanda Wray. She's going to talk about the successful solution method, how it works, what it takes to make money and things online. And people have been struggling, and they're sharing their results. People are very, very excited. Everyone who joined us here are very excited about this opportunity because they're having results now and they're making money every single day. So extraordinary income. This is from Amanda Cassandra Good. She's an experienced marketer. She has been in the game right now. I follow her on YouTube. She has been in the online industry for a long while. And she posted Amanda Wray. Because today is the 24th, or I forgot to say that today is the 24th of November 2020. And I'm just making this video this morning. So Amanda Wray, so she posted, she just earned $100 growing my online business. Ask me how. People commenting, look at the engagement. She got 418 comments. People wishing her congratulations, amazing. You're going to learn about social media, how to advertise on social media and stuff like that. You get paid for doing simple tasks too as well. You don't even have to promote this here to get paid. You get paid for just doing simple tasks. A simple task could be just registering for this opportunity, but just as joining this opportunity, just joining the group. You can just get paid to join the group too as well. After you paid your $125 US to join, a simple task is just as simple as joining this group too as well, and you're going to get paid for that too. And another task is just as simple as coming on the webinars every Wednesdays, and they have different webinars every Wednesday too. So this gentleman here, he posting his results. Michael Harrington, I'm loving SNM. Post engagement has gone up massively, and I'm getting paid. What an awesome opportunity. So people from all over the world having success. And this lady here, Michelle Kine, I am so loving. Yesterday morning I had my first coaching call, success coach. So you're gonna get a successful coach too as well. Everybody get paid a 50% commission. You get paid to 50% commission because you get a coaching call, you get training and everything too as well. Everything explained to you. So this next person here, super excited to be a part of a Diamond Club. Looking forward to the future with SSM. SSM for short. SSM is for short of Successful Solution Method. So a Diamond package, they join that, and they're getting paid, they're getting money. Everybody excited. In total lockdown, and this arise. Gotta love this opportunity and everything. Amanda has gone. So you know, due to the corona thing, people have lost their jobs and they're coming into the online industry. And now they could work from home. They don't have to worry about the lockdown, corona, or nothing like that. And they could become successful and work from home online. No distractions from nobody. No more headaches. You could earn from you get paid with $600 plus a week, US. Within this opportunity, there's no limit to how much money you can make with this opportunity. Just start with one day at a time. This training. Just come in and you can become successful. And place my link in the description down below. You can join. Diana Hike, Claiming High. My boy with a new traffic package. We're posting the results. Let me see. Next person. What's this person get paid? What's her name? $50 earned. That gentleman earned $50. At the interview there, they have interviews, people sharing their results, telling their stories of how happy they are with this opportunity. Everything you need to know to make money online with this opportunity. Training provided, everything you need to know. No experience needed. $250. This person paid for a traffic package. Everything you need to know within this opportunity. For another round of traffic to keep things flowing. So people that purchase traffic is basically people that are interested in joining, looking for an opportunity to make money from home. Worldwide opportunity. People are posting their results. This is from Cheryl Bias. Boom. Extraordinary results online. Earn $50. Growing her business. You can earn $50 a day. You can earn $300. You can earn $500. $50 earned. This person here earned $75, $50, $2, and $100. So they earn that's $225 US in a week. So there's no, you can earn $500 in a week depending on the work that you put in. Easy work. This person just total earn up to date $3,850 US. Who's that? Let me see. Who posted that? That is. This is Mary Sis. Mary Sis, she just posted that she earned $3,000 with this opportunity. And this lady here, and everybody posting their results. How much the gentleman made? $50. You made $50 a day, $50. Don't matter how much money you can make, $50, $100, $500. This lady posted $1,000 she made. This other person posted that they had the people posting that they have made $1,000 within the first month. People make money within their first week with this opportunity. Body here, type in. Oh, look at this person here, Annalisa Talihan. She posted she just earned $200, $100, all this income proof. In this group, people just showing their results, income proof, $200, $100, $50, and $25. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.